How to move villagers in Minecraft easily. So first, make sure that you have a minecart, some rails, some powered rail, but this is only optional, and a redstone torch and some blocks. So first, just go to the villager that you want to move and just simply put a rail under them. So I'm just gonna put a rail below this villager. I'm just gonna follow him up so he stops. Put a rail under them and put a minecart so that they can get caught by it. Now, once that's done, let's say I want to move the villager somewhere right here. So I'm just gonna put just an example so that you guys will get an idea. So just put the rail right there and just put it wherever you want till it reaches somewhere. And you could also add some powered rail. So I'm just gonna connect it right here. Add some powered rail, put a redstone torch. So I'm just gonna put one more here also. I'm gonna destroy this, put a powered rail, connect it right here, and put the redstone torch. So now if you want to move him, you should just simply push the cart right here. So push the cart till it reaches the rail, and now as you can see, I'm basically moving the villagers right here. So the powered rail makes it more easier. You can just do this over and over again till you reach a destination that you want to move the villagers to. And that's how I basically move them or move villagers easily in Minecraft.